Happy Saturday mga ka-friendship. Ito ang ating breakfast. Overload, fried banana, and eggs. Inside that, see? Not too much again. I fried in olive oil. Olive oil is good to those who have high blood, have cholesterol, have heart problem, have diabetes. This is good, the olive oil. And I have a fried eggplant. Yeah, mukbang for the vegetable. And this is lady finger, so sweet and yummy. Eggplant is good for the heart, high blood, antioxidant. This is, and the banana is rich in potassium, good for the heart. And egg is good for the eye. It's rich in nutrients. And then we have a little cup of it's like half cup of rice, always fried without oil. It's stay in the freezer like 8 hours more than, or a couple of days for the glucose. No glucose anymore. Those who have sugar, they can eat rice. And this is a little bit lime and fresh tomato and soy sauce. Little only, not too salty. Mga ka-friendship, everybody can eat. Sometimes you need little bit salt, not always no salt anymore. You taste little bit because this one no salt. See, I didn't put salt, any ingredients. I didn't put no garlic, no pepper, no salt, just fried only the egg. So you can put here. And this one also no salt. So to this little bit, I put soy sauce and lime and fresh tomato. And this is the fresh juice, orange juice, and the water. After fresh orange juice, rich in vitamin and C, good for the bones, good for the teeth, etc., etc. And this is the water. So healthy and yummy. That's it, breakfast mga ka-friendship. I will enjoy my meal. I know not everyone can relate because no one sometimes they doesn't eat vegetable. They eat cereal, omelette, in the milk. But for us Filipino, we eat rice, but not too much. And we eat more vegetable. Yan. This is our juices, very fresh, no sugar added. That's all mga friendship. Stay healthy, keep safe, always.